that's the FT10, a patient-ready unit, and it takes LigaSure instruments more than once, and which means you're not limited to use them only once. For example, this is an open pack LS1037. The next instrument that we are trying on the same FT10 is 5637, which is again our demo instrument and has been used before many times. And as you can see, the unit has accepted these LigaSure instruments which have been used previously many times. That's the monopolar port, and we are testing the diathermy pencil, cutting action and coagulation. The other one, the bipolar. So that's the bipolar setting. The FT10 being an AutoSense technology, as you can see, I'm running this on standard bipolar mode.